Doug Thompson here at the shop. I have a client. He asked me to make a decorative plate. So we're going to, in the video, show how to make these kind of tapered and curved scrolls. I'll forge those out, and then I'll show how to make these chiseled elements. This is the material that I'm going to utilize to forge into the scrolling element. So now I can start working this a little bit. I'm pretty close. I want to get kind of a nice point there. I'll knock those edges off just a little bit. Using a series of overlapping blows just to kind of ease that edge right there. I think we're ready to do the counter bend. I'll start up towards the top of the bick, and as I pull down, that'll be my motion. Starting here, and then just pulling down as I go to the end. I'm going to check it. I can do a little bit more right in here, I think. Dropping my hand. So, starting to have a really nice shape. That's pretty good. Trying to get a smooth taper from this point to that point. So I'm going to fix that area right there by grabbing it here on this end and transitioning, smoothing this out right there. I want to fix that. Good. Now in this next pass, I'm really going to focus on the end, get that tip where I want it. I might be able to get this over the far end of the anvil, but it's pretty tough. There, I think I got it. We've got a nice little point there. I know I got to do some bending here. So what I might do at this point, I'm going to put the whole thing back and I'm going to quench here, and then I'm going to tap it. So this will be cold and this will be cold, and hopefully I can bend it right in this region right here. So I'm going to focus on that. So I'm going to quench the top half of this with the tap. I think I can bend it. Darn thing. At this point, I really want to work that in a little bit. Like that. I'm trying to get it bent right here. We're gaining on it. We're really close. So I've got to work just the end of that a little bit. And I'm just going to check it each time. I don't want to go by it and then have to fix it. I am really close. So I think I can almost just work the very end. A little bit more right there. We're gonna call it good. And what I want to do is incise a groove in this scroll. So what I've done is I've taken my little grinding wheel and just made a starter cut into there. And I'm going to take this chisel and I'm going to walk it on down that little groove.